All right, here we have the Arsenal split leg press. So a few things that I want to highlight. If you want to do each leg independently, what you will do is you will come over to this peg right here. You will flip it up, slide it over, and now they're moving independently. For the video, I want to show them working together, so I'm going to lock it back in, make sure it's locked. A couple other things that we can point out on this. For the safety feature, if you want to have less depth, pull this pin, grab it, slide it up. You'll have to grab both sides. Obviously for the video, I don't want to have as much limitation, so I'm going to slide it back down. Next thing, if you want to adjust the angle of how you're seated, you will pull this, you can slide it up or you can slide it down. I'm gonna have it on the lowest one. Then, to load the weight, I'm going to grab the weight here, and I'm going to pick a peg. For right now, I'm going to pick that peg, slide over here, load this side with the plate. Then you will get in, you'll get seated, have your feet about shoulder length, maybe slightly wider, toes slightly angled outward, push up, slap both of these down to unrack it, then drive your hips all the way back, drive up. That's how you use this machine, and that is all the attachments and adjustments that go into it. And that is the Arsenal split leg press.